Here's another favorite, swat the word. All you need are sticky notes and something fun to swat with, like a fly swatter, a wooden spoon, a plastic spoon. I have a little wand, little stars, something fun. Write sight words on sticky notes and place them on the wall, the table, or the floor. Then call out a word and your child swats the correct one. To make it more challenging, you can give them a few seconds to find it before they swat. This game is fast paced, fun, and great for practicing recognition. Kids love it because it feels more like play than learning.
C. Swat C.
And that's Swat the Word. It's a quick, fun way to build sight word recognition while keeping kids active. Try this with words like I, see, the, and, to. Your child will love the game, and you'll love how much progress they make.